Other point I'll tackle, and I think this graph probably many of you would have seen, again, an example of compounding interest, of just doing 1% better every day. And now that doesn't mean you have to really become 1% better every day. It really means if you're doing something as a habit over years, you would start seeing a strong compounding effect over there. Now, one of the essence over here is also that what we started with, that you should not try to prepare yourself for an interview, whether you are new hire or you are applying for lateral roles. The problem with interviews is there can be people who are great at interviews but may not turn out to be great PMs, because you still need to see a lot of cultural fitments, a lot of behavioral traits, and so on. So don't try too hard for interviews for that Google or Facebook or PayPal or Microsoft or Uber interviews, but try to really find what do you need to be good at that interview. Because you would realize eventually in few years that a lot of interviews as you get senior would not be interviews, they would be discussions which can actually happen in a coffee shop, and no one would try to schedule 5 rounds 7 rounds of interviews with them. And that's where you'll realize that the interviews are not as structured. As you grow in your career, they become more conversational, and you cannot hide behind a painted mask after that. So my recommendation is always that irrespective of the level you are, you should prepare for interviews, but you should not have an aim to crack an interview, but really let your habits be visible to people, your traits be visible to people, and let them hire you.